Hey yeah guys, since you seem to like testing, here's a test. I got in this Sony TA-1144. Actually I didn't get it in, the record store got it in. I sometimes look at audio for a record store. It doesn't get me rich, but it sure is fun. And the customer came with this one and he asked if the store wanted to sell it for him. But of course we need to test it and I'm the designated tester, which I don't mind. So this is a really nice amplifier by Sony. I'm not a Sony fan by any means, but this thing, my goodness, it's so cool. But does it work? And if it doesn't work, how dramatically broken will it be? Because these are not the most reliable Sonys after all these years. It's standing on its own power cord and it's heavy, so that didn't work. So power cell off, let's turn all the volume down. Okay, speakers off. And well, no power LED, that's for sure, but let's see if it does anything else. I've got a music source. Oh, we have crackles. Aha! Ooh, it's a very warm sounding thing, in a good way. Although, yeah, that's loudness on. That doesn't sound quite right. But then it is cold and old. Here we go, getting better. There you go. I love this kind of mono switch. I can switch between stereo, reverse stereo, mono, left channel, right channel. Some great options for testing there. We got bass and treble controls for both channels, which are noisy, but they work. This one doesn't seem to do very much, to be honest. Not sure about that one. Let's see. That's this one. I'm not sure if that one works, but then it does need a clean. Really cool input selector. So you got Phono 2, Phono 1, Tuner. Now it does that switch. Auxiliary 1, 2 and 3 and the tape loop. And this is auxiliary 3, it's on the front. I do like that. Low filter works, high filter works. That's main speakers off. Dirty switch. So, oh wait, there it goes. It actually does work, but not quite right. So actually everything works except that it's got some really dirty switches. Let's try the other inputs. That's auxiliary 1. Let's start the next track and go to auxiliary 2. Auxiliary 2. Auxiliary 2. Works. And then we've got tuner here. That's the big switch. Tuner. There you go. Then we've got the tape input, which is here. Should be this one. There you go. And then there's the phono inputs that I do want to try, but I'm going to turn down the volume all the way because a record player has a much lower output signal. That's phono 2, so we should get a really really woolly sound now. There you go. And then let's go to phono 1 right here. So it looks like everything works, it just needs a good clean. I'm going to show you the back because it's kind of a cool machine. It has these typical old terminals that need a screwdriver for the speakers, so I'm going to unscrew the speakers real quick. and unplug the thing because we've tested it and we know what's wrong with it. Not that much, to be honest. So here we go. Let's see if it's all in frame. Yes, it is. We've got it standing on something. It's the plugs. It's really heavy actually and really sharp as well. We got your Phono 2 tuner, auxiliary 1, 2 and tape input. Here's a preamp and power amp input. So preamp out, power amp in, and a switch to switch between normal and separate. Separate being if you use it as a separate, I guess, power amp, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe preamp, I should probably test that. And here's the ground screw for your record player ground and some switched and unswitched power outlets. 4 speaker outlets, so 2 groups, and a DIN plug for also tape in out. It's a cool machine. How much power does it use? 177 watts. This isn't the time when Sony actually made amplifiers that had a power supply that matched the power output. So this thing is probably like, I don't know, 2 times 40 watts or something. Let me Google it actually because I'm not sure. Here's a laptop. Can you see the laptop? You probably can't. Shall I zoom out maybe? So you can see a bit more of what's going on. There we go. It's the Sony TA-1144, is that correct? Yes. So what does Hi-Fi Engine tell me about it? It's 30 watts per channel. There you go. That's a proper power supply. Like, nice and over-dimensioned for an amplifier that only does 30 watts per channel. And it's from 1970. So that's a properly old amplifier, this. Sorry, I hit the microphone. Let me zoom in on it again. And hope the thing focuses, because I can't really see the screen. It's at the back of the camera, obviously. Yeah, I really like this thing. From what I can tell through my cheap, crappy speaker, it doesn't sound half bad. I love the way it looks. I think it must have been available with a wood cabinet. It looks like it has been. Yeah. I mean, I'm not even sure if I like it better that way. Wait, let me show you the screen. The picture. I clicked the picture in Google, but it didn't actually open. Okay, you're just gonna have to take my word for it because I can't find another picture. There are pictures of this with a wood cabinet, and it looks... Ooh, got one. No, that's a TA-1010. Nope, can't find another one, and the one that I found doesn't work, so it's probably, since it's the only picture, it's probably not an official option for this amplifier. So it's just metal. All of it's metal. It's bloody heavy. And actually, it's not even that heavy. It's 8 kilograms, but it's really unwieldy because it's thick and sharp and everything. But I love the design. I would like to have the complete rig of this. This would look so cool. But yeah, I'm going to clean this up, fix the scratchy controls, and take it back to the record store, because I think we will actually sell this, because this is a cool device. I like it. It's a Sony I like. Approved.